Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to draft email in ConvertKit for free. So all we need to do here is to go over to the top where we have send, and then we have email templates. We're going to click on it. And if you're creating a template for the first time, you will have these options for you to choose from. So we could go ahead and select this one here. And right here, all you need to do is to make this your own by editing all you have here for your preference. And then you have the click here button. And here in this button, you could also put your URL, which could be connected to this button. You could also change the picture here. You could click on it, and then you have replace. So we're going to click on replace, and you could drag and drop, use Unsplash, or use photos from your Instagram. You could also have the feature to turn on the caption here, where you can put in the caption. We're going to toggle this off, and you could also change the width, the cropping, the corner radius for this image. Now, you notice that we're currently on the image, and that's why you can see template section image. Then when we go over to the button, you can see template section button. So this is quite easy to do, and you just need to follow with the steps that are shown here. You could also decide to make this a hyperlink by highlighting it and then clicking above here. You have the link, and after clicking on it, you could put the link. So we're just going to put youtube.com and we're going to apply it, and then this turns into a hyperlink, which anyone can click. So after everything is done, you don't need to bother saving it because this is an autosave. And then we could go again to send, go over to email templates, and now you can see the template that we just edited. And when we click on it again, we can continue editing it. So this is how to make an email draft on ConvertKit for free.